Your Platinum sink is made from quality 304 stainless steel. With proper care and maintenance, your sink will give you many years of service. Frequent care will help prevent the buildup of mineral deposits and reduce water spotting and streaking. Leaving everyday products or utensils in your sink for prolonged periods can lead to damage. After use, rinse your sink thoroughly, then wipe it dry with a soft cloth. Preventative maintenance is important to maintain the finish of your stainless steel. You should thoroughly clean your sink weekly using a non-abrasive stainless steel cleaner available at supermarkets or hardware stores. Follow the instructions, being sure to cover the entire surface. Rinse thoroughly and dry with a soft cloth. By nature, stainless steel is resistant to rust, but a buildup of iron particles from external sources such as steel wool, cookware or utensils can leave rust on the surface of stainless steel. The quality of your water supply can also cause stains to appear on your sink. This test sink has been put through the most extreme conditions, but both surface rust marks and stains can easily be removed with thorough cleaning as already shown. For extra tough spots, you may need to leave the cleaner to soak in for an extended period. Scratches are inevitable on all stainless steel sinks. With regular use, these scratches will blend together into a uniform finish. The appearance of scratches can be reduced with the use of a fine 3M Scotch-Brite pad. Wipe along the grain of the entire area of the sink and rinse thoroughly. To keep your sink looking its best, there are a number of things you'll need to avoid. Chlorides found in many detergents, soaps, bleaches, and drain cleaners are very aggressive to stainless steel. Be sure to thoroughly rinse the sink after using any of these products. Avoid leaving carbon steel items as well as acidic or salty foods on the sink, as they may cause corrosion. Leaving carbon steel items or wet products including sponges on the sink for long periods can stain the surface. Never use steel wool to clean your stainless steel sink. It will leave behind steel fragments that will cause rust spots.